this might have to be my new concealed carry. That thing's so friggin' easy to hold.
Let's see. You want to walk this down?
We'll walk it down. We're gonna walk it down. I just shot 50 yards. I threw 5 rounds down the range, and we're gonna see. I have not shot this. This is the first day we've brought this to the range. We're at 50 yards and we're walking it, so I'm sorry for the time that it's taken. But 5 rounds, Glock 19, Gen 5. Let's see what we did. Well, we missed 2 of them. We hit right there. And right there. We got one down here. So 3 out of 5. First time trying to shoot 50 yards with the Glock 19.
Pretty good.
I wish that fit in my waistband easier. I'm not thinking I'm too happy with mine, but we'll see what Bob's got.
Let's go see what we did.
Going on. Walking it out's a pain in the ass, but until we figure out the scope mount that we need to order, which I just found out they make today. How many rounds did you send down?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6. He's got 6.
Okay. Okay, at least I'm getting this weapon figured out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, what'd you send down?
So you got 6 out of 6 at 25. I was shooting 50 at the same time.
Yeah, that was 6 out of 6 with the 43 with the extension on the mag.
And this is with the 19. And out of 5, I did 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5 at 50 yards. God. Brand new gun. All right, so one-handed shooting. High and left. So I tried 25 yards with 3 shots, and then I tried 50 yards with 2 shots. And I can guarantee you I did not hit the 50 yards one-handed. What we did 3, and I forgot my little stickers. So 3 one-handed at 25 yards with the Glock 19. That's okay. And I was hoping out of the 2 that I threw down here one-handed, one of them would hit, but I shot high. I'm leaning into it. I need to put one of those back there. I feel better about myself. Got it.
You're trying to shoot the metal?
Alright, yeah, I gave you 5 rounds, okay. Glock 19.
This thing feels good.
Oh yeah. He dropped 2 with 1 like I did earlier. Oh, the perfect. You had 5 rounds and you dropped 6 targets. That was good. That was good. We just had, my dad just dropped 6 metal targets with 5 rounds because one of the metal targets was leaning on the back bar, and when the back bar went down, it went down with it. So my dad somehow just shot 6 for 5. I don't think that's mathematically real.